Good morning, dear student. Student, your chapter third, table in MS Access. Okay, so that's your chapter complete, and today we shall discuss about the question answer. So first of all, just revise the chapter. Okay, yes, what did you read in this chapter? So student, in this chapter about the new application. Okay, yes, and this new application name is MS Access. Okay student, so this application used for the making a database. Okay, so what is database, student? The chapter name is table in MS Access. So that's in this chapter first topic, database. Okay student, so what is database? So database is collection of information. Okay, database is a collection of information that is organized, easily accessed, managed and updated. Okay student, clear about the database? So database is a collection of information that is organized, easily accessed, managed and updated. Clear student? And next, database software. Database software. So student, MS Access is a database software. So that means a application software that allows user to create, access and manage a database. Okay student? Yes. So that's a computerized database. A computerized database helps to store the data in an electronic format, okay, on a storage medium such as a hard disk. Okay student? Yes. So database is a computerized database, helps to store the data in an electronic format. And relational database. So a relational database is tabular database in which data is defined so that it can be recognized, accessed in a number of different ways. Okay, so that is a relational data base. Okay, yes, so relational database is a tabular database in which data is defined so that it can be recognized, that accessed in a number of different ways. Okay, and database software helps to add, change and delete data in a database. Okay student, so database software helps to add, change and delete data in database. So database is a collection of tables organized in row and column. Okay, that's type. Okay, so database making for that type between row and column. Okay, yes, so in the other words we can say that database is a collection of tables organized in row and column. Okay student? Yes. So in database table, each row in database that's row, okay, and that is a column. So in database, each row is called record, okay, that's called record, okay, each row called record, and column is called field, and column is called field, okay student. Yes, so in database table each row is called a record, and each column is called a field, okay student. So that's complete, okay, this chapter. So let's start the question answer. So your first question is multiple choice question, okay student. First, take the correct answer. So, your first question, a tabular database in which data is defined. A tabular database in which data is defined, that's relational database. First, relational database is correct. And B, a list of recently opened file appear on which edge of window below the file tab. So answer is third answer, left. Left is a second, third option. Okay, and C, question, to display or hide the navigation pane, which toggle key is pressed. So second answer, F11. F11 key, press for that function, okay. And D, it defines the table structure before creating the table. So option is first, design view, okay, and E, it stores unique number for each row, that's auto number. Auto number. Okay, and F, it should not contain meaningful information, so that's a primary key. Primary key. So student, complete your MCQ, multiple choice question. So note that in notebook, okay. And next question, MS Access. Fill in the blanks, okay. fill in the blanks. Okay, student. First, MS Access is a program for creating database to store. First option, fill business. Okay, and second, personal. Clear, student? So that's second question. Access automatically assign extension to all database files. So dot ACC access DB. Okay, in bracket access data base. Okay, so you fill that one. And see, if fill in the blanks warning appear will opening a database which is not trusted. So that's security. Security. Okay, student. D, fill in the blanks. We can create primary key on multiple field by clicking on fill in the blanks key and the fill in the blanks sector of the field. So first fill CTRL, control key. Okay, control key and the row. Okay, so fill here control and here row. And E, memo is same as text data type with an upper limits of how much characters? 64,000. 64,000 character. Okay, and the last fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks tag contains all the properties of our field. So that's general. General tag contains all the properties of our field. Okay, students. So complete your filling in the blanks section. Okay. So please fill the A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. And next section is state true or false. Okay, students. State true or false. A. Okay. So first, true or false? Database software does not help us to add or change data in database. So no, that's false. Database software help us to add, okay, or change data in database. Yes, students. So that's false. Okay, student, database. And C, B, multiple database cannot open at once. Multiple database student open at once, so that's false. C, in design view, window is divided in two panes. Yes, that's true. And text type has a limit up to 255 characters, so that's false. Up to 64,000. Text student, D question. D is Access has number of data type depending on your need, so that's true. Okay, and E, text data type has a limit up to 155 characters, that's false. And F, by clicking on refresh button helps to see the edited source data, so that's false. Okay, so that's a complete true false section. And next, answer the following question. So that's first, very short answer questions. Okay, so that's your first question. Define database. Okay, student. So that's define the database is a, write the answer. A database is a collection so a database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed. Okay, student. So, student, other question we shall discuss about the other question in next video. Okay, yeah, so please write the MCQ, true false, fill in the blanks and this first question in very short section, and next question will be discussed about the next class. Thank you so much, student.